Okay guys, welcome to another 7-second share code YouTube video. Guys, in this 7-second share code YouTube video, I'm going to set up the actual playlist, or I've already set up the actual playlist for the 7-second share code. And we're going to call this the getting started step by step inside of the 7-second share code. And the reason why is because a lot of people are coming in different ways. So this particular instruction, this particular playlist will be inside of every marketing system sales funnel, right? So you guys can get to this information so that you guys can stand over my shoulder and watch me put these simple 7-second share code funnels together, okay? If that makes sense. So that's what we're going to do in this video. So let's talk about the flow and how it's going to work. Any marketing funnel system within the 7-second share code umbrella that you guys could have come through, right? It's going to look, it may look like this. It may look a little different, guys, right? I got some things just not lined up right now. And that's just because I'm rushing because I have a couple of appointments to go to. Excuse me, guys, my apologies. But anyway, when you start funneling through any funnel or any funnel system that you could have come through, guys, right? You're going to find that there is instructions, right, on setting up all of those funnel systems, each individually and for this exact same bridge page. And it's, you'll see it. It'll be lined, you'll see it in all its entirety when you're inside the club. Oh, you see different versions of it. So you could come through you could have come through at this point about between 7, by the time I do this video, between 7 and 10 video sales funnels. Inside of the 7-second share codes funnels, guys, there are funnels built inside of the funnels. I hope that makes sense to you guys, right? And it's going to make sense if you go through this playlist, depending on how you came in, depending on when you came in, depending on your level of experience. A lot of you guys are familiar with the share code technology inside of LeadsLeap, and you guys know you went and grabbed the share codes. You already hooked this up. A lot of you guys are just learning about the actual share code technology inside of LeadsLeap. So I implore you guys, right? I want you guys to go through this video. Okay, so you could have come through any number of marketing systems. All will lead back. There'll be a button in all, somewhere on every marketing system. Not only will there be a button, guys, there will be corresponding share codes. Very important that you guys remember. There'll be corresponding share codes in any of the funnels that you could have come through. So what you're going to do when you come, as you're coming through these funnels and you want to know, how do I set up this LeadsLeap funnel? How do I set up my 7-second share code funnel? Wow, right? So guys, you're going to click a button. There'll always be a button that will take you guys over to the new 7-second share codes playlist, right? And I think I can pin this video at the top of the playlist, and I'm going to make an attempt to do that. You used to be able to do that. I don't know if you still can, but I think I can pin this video at the top. If not, guys, once you get inside of this playlist, come to the getting started step by step inside of the 7-second share code video, because this is going to be the video that if I can't pin it to the top of the actual playlist, find this video. Again, depending on your level of experience, because we're going to start right from the very beginning showing you guys how to import these share codes and these pages into your LeadsLeap membership. Now, if I'm not able to pin this video at the top of the actual playlist, shuffle the actual videos, guys. You can come here once you're on this page and you can shuffle. See what I'm saying? You guys can shuffle the videos. Hopefully I can get back, you know what I mean? But it will take you guys. That was video 1. This is a video you guys may want to see. I don't know. The point is you can just simply shuffle the videos if this video is not pinned to the top, and come to the video that says getting started. When I upload this video to YouTube, the title of this YouTube video will be getting started step by step inside of the 7-second share codes. Okay, that's the name of this video. I want you guys to make sure you're watching this video if you're brand new, so that you will know exactly how to import these share codes. And get this, guys, once you've done one of these funnels, the exact same procedure will always be the same for importing any share code, any funnel, right, into the LeadsLeap membership area. It doesn't matter what funnel you came through. The process for importing these actual share codes that have that. This is where these pages are hosted through these share codes, and this is the way that you're going to import that particular corresponding share code that's on the page you came through, right? Find that page, and this is the way you're going to be able to bring this all together. Now, I'm going to break these videos down, and they're going to be titled the same thing, but it'll be getting started inside, step by step, inside the 7-second share code. Video 1. Okay. Again, if this doesn't apply and you guys know what you're doing, feel free to go through the playlist and connect with the corresponding video instructions that resonates with you, the video that you need to see, if you need to see it, right? Because they're all in here. Everything you could possibly imagine about setting up a simple share code inside of Leadsleep is inside of this playlist. Anything that you want to do, right? And they'll continue to be added to the 7-second share code playlist, right? Every time I do a 7-second share code YouTube video that pertains to the 7-second share code umbrella, right? The funnel, the club. So this is video 1. Make sure that you're watching it. Remember, lock into the video that makes sense to you, the one that you need to see to set up your particular funnel. Shuffle through the videos, find the corresponding titles, make sure you have your corresponding funnel system, so that as you're going through this training, you're going to be able to jump right in, stand over my shoulder, and watch me put this funnel together. So this is video 1. I want you guys to know this is how we're going to do it. This is going to make it a very seamless process for you guys. When we talk about the 7-second share code technology, it truly is a very simple process that will enable you guys to import any page, right, from any funnel that you find inside of the club. Thanks so much for sitting in on the video, guys, and stand by for video 2, because we're going to start going through setting everything up. If you guys haven't already done it, we're going through it step by step, guys, okay? Getting started step by step inside of the 7-second share codes playlist. Thanks for sitting in, and I'll meet you guys on video 2.